In this video, I'll be showing you how to use ChatGPT to write Facebook ad copy. Okay, so we're going to use ChatGPT and Google Bard to generate a Facebook ad copy for a product we want to sell, and we'll also use it to generate a Facebook ad copy for a lead magnet we want to give out, and we are also going to use it to generate headlines for this ad copy. Okay, so remember, you need to be as descriptive as possible. Okay, you need to tell ChatGPT or Google Bard or any other AI tool that you're using what you want, the title of your product, what your product does, who it is meant for. Okay, you just have to be as descriptive as you can. So here is my notepad. I have written a prompt. Okay, and I want ChatGPT to help me write a Facebook ad about a product, ChatGPT Mastery for business owners. Okay, it says this is a video course that helps small business owners to master how to use ChatGPT for their business activities. The target audience for this ad is Nigeria. All right, so here I'm going to paste it here and I'll click enter. Okay, so you can see it's writing. Okay, so at this point I can copy this out, paste it in my notepad. Okay, so if you read through and you are not satisfied, you can ask it to write another one. Okay, write another one. All right, definitely this second one will not be the same with the previous one. Okay, so let's try using Google Bard to do this. I'll paste the same prompt here, okay, and give it the command to write. Let's see what happens. Okay, so this is it. All right, Google Bard gives you their own. Okay, so you can copy this out too and paste it on your notepad so you can compare and construct. Okay, so let's say write another one. It's going to write another one. Okay, so you can see that Google Bard gives you the body, it gives you call to action, text button, image. It even suggests the image you can use. Okay, all right, gives you hashtag. It suggests the audience you can as well target. You can see how beautiful this AI tool is. Can you see? It suggests the audience you can target, gives you the kind of picture image you should use. So even if you don't have an image, you can use this prompt, this image description, to generate an image using text to image AI tools. Okay, so now you can see that we have an ad copy here. So all you need to do is to copy this, all right, and then you copy it and paste it on your notepad, whether you're using a computer or a phone, and compare and construct and read through and choose the one you want. Now you can say write 3 headlines, 3 Facebook ad headlines for the above ad copy. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, can you see ChatGPT Mastery, the small business owners with secret weapon? Okay, now you can go to ChatGPT and say write 3 headlines for the Facebook ad copy above. Okay, let's see. Can you see? This is suggested headline. Now you can see that here this prompt is quite different from this one I used here. Okay, even though it means the same thing, but the sentence formatting is not the same. So let me just copy this exact prompt. That is why I said earlier on that in this course that your prompt matters a lot, your phrase matters a lot. So let's use this particular prompt here and let's see what happens. Okay, it's a similar result. So at this point you can check through the headlines and choose the one that suits you better. Okay, I think I'll go with learn how to use ChatGPT to generate high quality content and grow your business. This one is okay by me. All right, so this is how you can use ChatGPT to actually generate ad copy and ad headline for your business. You can as well use or tweak this. You can add some functions, like you can tell it to write a particular number of words. Okay, so while giving your prompt, you must be as descriptive as possible. Okay, so let me try another prompt, and this time around I'll be asking it to use a formula, use IDA formula. Okay, all right, let's see what happens. AIDA formula stands for attention, interest, desire, and action. Okay, you can see that it has rewritten this ad copy using this formula. All right, we can as well use it on Google. Let's see what it gives us. Use formula. Okay, okay, can you see the same thing? So now when using this ad copy, you don't add these attention, interest, desire. No, all you need to do is that you just read through, combine it, and then edit and then use what you want. Okay, you don't just do copy and paste with this interest, desire, attention. No, this is a formula. So you pick the attention. This is attention line, this is the interest line, this is the desire line, this is the call to action line. All right, so this is how you can use ChatGPT to write a Facebook ad copy and generate Facebook ad headline. Do well to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and drop a comment if this tutorial is helpful.